What do I do about indents or wrinkles in leather?
There's a lot of different things. When you have indents or wrinkles in your leather, it's very easy to get it out. A little bit of warmth helps, and I'm not talking about heat, a lot of heat. I'm talking about mild heat, which means you can use brown paper on top of the leather with a iron at a low setting, and you can get it nice and warm. And usually that'll rub out most of the wrinkles or indents or whatever. That's usually happens pretty efficiently if you do it that way. Do use a standard ironing board and a low setting and brown paper in between. You don't want to put the iron directly on the leather because that can ruin it. And heat can actually ruin the jacket if you do it too hot. It'll actually melt the leather and it'll actually shrink in the areas that get too much heat. As you may know that from some of the people that have been out riding for a while, and you put it on, it hits the leather hits your exhaust. Next thing you know, you see a part of your jacket is all shriveled up, and you don't know why. So you got to be careful with heat. So it's one thing that's important.
Come to Jamin Leather. Ha 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 ha.